Hello again. Believe it or not, this is the before video for this front yard landscaping project. For this project, our client wanted to redo their recently installed front landscaping for a few different reasons. They thought the initial plan was not very well thought out. The bermed up bed around the tree was higher than the back edge of the bed, which caused some water pooling. The small tree itself was very top-heavy and planted in an area where there was strong crosswinds, which did not help it grow. And the front bushes bloomed for a very small period and had minimal foliage after that. Our client loves flowering plants and low-maintenance natural plantings. We reshaped the front mound so that it will drain water away from the house. When it came time to plant, we chose perennials that will bloom at different times of the year, giving our client the all-year color they were looking for. We also chose low-maintenance plantings that would be easy to take care of over time. Lastly, we chose a corner tree with a clumped trunk structure. Once established, this multifaceted base will be nice and strong when those winds blow. So what do you think? Do you like the changes?